Welcome to the largest, most accurate, and most reliable geospatial databases available. Brought to you by GeoTel, the single leading provider of telecommunications infrastructure data, fiber maps, data visualization, and location-based intelligence. These unparalleled and well-researched databases consist of more than 15 telecom datasets, including carrier fiber routes, fiber-lit buildings, and cell towers. GeoTel's products and services have been providing businesses and government agencies with the powerful leverage and insight necessary to make intelligent, location-based decisions for over 23 years. And GeoTel's diverse client base includes some of the most well-recognized national and international firms, such as Microsoft, Verizon, AT&T, Lumen, Accenture, and more. Over the past 2 decades, GeoTel has developed proprietary research methodologies and sourcing, digitizing data into thorough, comprehensive formats. The ability to utilize such data can save organizations significant financial resources and time. For example, consider the cost of sending a team to gather infrastructure data. When you factor in flights, hotels, and expensive drone surveys, the return on investment just isn't there. However, GeoTel delivers unmatched ROI by providing all the necessary information within seconds, reducing both costs and time. GeoTel is also the only entity in the world that offers the depth and breadth of this location-based telecom infrastructure data. As the leading telecom data provider, GeoTel serves a variety of verticals, including telecommunications, real estate, government, the energy sector, and other various sectors. GeoTel data can be utilized across industries in numerous ways. For example, telecom providers and carriers can conduct comprehensive analyses and review telecommunications infrastructure to properly evaluate the competitive landscape and commercial fiber expansion. Another example of how GeoTel data can be utilized is by energy companies to make informed decisions, optimize infrastructure, and meet the evolving demands of the energy sectors for projects such as data center development. GeoTel has been helping a multitude of industries with our telecom infrastructure datasets, from engineering and planning to network operations and fiber expansion. With over 15 million fiber-lit buildings, 7.5 thousand telecom carriers, 5.5 million fiber route miles, and 530,000 cell tower locations, no other competitor offers the depth of telecom data as GeoTel. GeoTel's telecom data provides the foundation for geographic thinking and site location analysis for competitive intelligence. This information provides enhanced decision-making with deep dive analysis by geographic location. With spatial capabilities, the data assists in digital visualization mapping and analytical reporting for a better understanding of business challenges. By using GeoTel's telecom infrastructure datasets, users can enhance and increase an organization's knowledge of managing assets to network coverage by carrier locations. GeoTel's infrastructure datasets are the foundation of telecommunications. GeoTel's flagship data products include carrier fiber routes, which showcase ownership, cell towers, which include 5G small cell, and fiber-lit buildings, which consists of on-net and near-net buildings, data centers, central offices, points of presence, and more. The additional telecom datasets include wire centers, LATA boundaries, area codes, cable operating areas, broadband terrestrial fiber, broadband wireless data including carriers and technologies, and submarine cables and landings. Now, GeoTel can deliver its data in one of 2 formats. The first being through GIS, or Geographic Information Systems, which is specialized software designed to analyze and visualize geographically referenced data, focusing on mapping and spatial relationships. The concept of GIS was developed in 1969 and slowly implemented through the 1970s and 80s. GIS growth was dependent on the power of the hardware running it, so it was a slow method until Microsoft OS software and the Pentium microprocessor launched GIS into the business mainstream. As technology evolved and the web was introduced, the jump from only local usage to online usage took place, bringing us an online option, SaaS, also known as Software as a Service, which is an online subscription model where users can access applications through a web browser without needing to install software locally. This brings us to GeoTel's second option, Teletracker, an online SaaS application designed to enhance geographic analysis of telecommunications infrastructure for customers who lack internal GIS software. Leveraging the robust geospatial engine, Teletracker offers an extensive suite of features that cater to diverse industries and audiences. With its combination of spatial tools, 2D and 3D views, and multiple base map options, users can gain comprehensive insights from GeoTel datasets. Teletracker's custom carrier locator widget color codes fiber carriers, enabling easy visualization and comparison between carriers. Table views, filter tools, drawing tools, and bookmarks facilitate detailed analysis and location intelligence. Additionally, Street View, address, coordinate searching, and print tools enhance user interaction and reporting capabilities. The 3D tools, such as line of sight and elevation profiles, ensure that users can perform intricate spatial assessments with ease and further enhance users with advanced analytical options to assess terrain and visibility between multiple points of interest. Let's dive into some of our most sought-after datasets, starting with carrier fiber routes. By turning on the carrier fiber routes map layer, Teletracker provides the ability to see all carrier fiber routes at once to view the fiber network of a specific region. Or, it can also let you see them broken into individual carriers by turning on the carrier locator map layer and utilizing the carrier locator widget. Teletracker's custom carrier locator widget color codes fiber carriers and can single out specific carrier lines, enabling easy visualization and comparison between carriers and their fiber routes. GeoTel's fiber-lit building dataset consists of on-net buildings, near-net buildings, data centers, central offices, points of presence, and more. When combined with carrier fiber routes, this dataset can set the stage for well-informed business decisions such as data center site locations. GeoTel's cell tower dataset highlights 5G, small cell, and other traditional tower types. This dataset not only shows the location of the cell tower, but also offers carrier information and identifies structure types such as billboards, rooftop, pole, and more. In Teletracker, Street View can also be used to confirm location of assets. Users can perform spatial queries directly in Teletracker. A quick spatial query example would be locating the nearest carrier to a new data center build. By using Teletracker's spatial query tool and carrier locator tool together, users can place a pinpoint on a specific parcel and indicate a buffer distance of their preference. From here, it's possible to determine the nearest carrier for said data center. It's just that simple. What sets Teletracker apart from competitors is its integration of modern spatial analytical tools and intuitive interface. The seamless integration of 2D and 3D functionalities alongside custom widgets provides an innovative, user-friendly web application any user in any industry can utilize. These comprehensive tools not only enhance operational efficiency, but also deliver an elevated level of customization and accuracy, making Teletracker a standout choice for customers seeking a sophisticated and adaptable GIS solution. Location-based intelligence is the process of deriving meaningful insight from geospatial data relationships to solve a particular problem. Both our GIS and SaaS formats create location-based intelligence that brings value to clients in nearly every industry sector. And thanks to GeoTel's thorough research, GeoTel data has been featured in dozens of publications and exhibited in museums all around the world, including Fortune Magazine, CBS, the New York Historical Society, Chicago Architecture Center, MIT, the Wall Street Journal, and much more, stamping a seal of trust and reliability in the GIS community. And we can't forget to mention that GeoTel's unparalleled telecom datasets are delivered in GIS or Teletracker SaaS format with annual licenses, including regular updates and tech support throughout the year. Ready to take your organization to the next level? Request a quote from our GeoTel specialist today. We look forward to working with you soon.